My dear audience and respected persons, now I want to speak something about our proposition of our ST. What is happening for us? The one thing I am to say that the Maharaja of Tripura, he has thought that if something is not done, then the Borodogha and Tripura would be or may be dismissed and extinguished, being disappointed. Why this disappointment? Since I have seen from the boyhood and even now, that those who are Tripura and Borodogha, day by day, they are going to be extinguished. But by whom? Those who are outsiders. They came to, as soon as they came to Tripura, everything has been and have been provided and keeping on, still now it is keeping on. How to stay, how to survive with being good health, good mind, and good education. But those who are Borodogha, those staying and surviving in the forest area, day by day, they are going to be extinguished, being disappointment. But disappointment is that due to want of rice and pure water and a maximum reserve area have been reserved for the outsiders. For this reason and matter and circumstances and environment, the Borodogha is going to be fabricated, is going to be oppressed by the oppressor. So I thought, if I not do something as a Maharaja, I am the son of Maharaja Bikram, so I have to do something. I have to think for something for us, for our nation, for our community. So he thinking about these things from nook and corner, here and there, up and down. He thought and he started doing something for good work, for social work, for our nation. And he thought, many ministers have come and must be coming, but we have nothing to do for us. They are doing for the nation, for their own community, for being the majority. But our Dogha, day by day, their number is going to be distinct, is going to be decreased. Being the majority, they are getting everything from the government of India, and everything, right from the money, that is everything for surviving in a good way, in good house, and good having good water. And for this reason, they were increasing day by day. And our nation is by going to be decreased, and now has become a minority. And know that now unity is the best thing, and best friend and to do anything, to women, to do something, unity is the best. Unity means the both just for counter fighting or for counter doing according to our government rules, government fundamental rules. So now I want to see what can we do, and moreover, those who are now young chef or educated or non-educated, all of them are Soru and Saparar. They have also started thinking for this reason, taking on this mind, taking on this heart, they have come to Maharaja to think over, to ponder over what to do. And with this I know that the Maharaja, he has a heart of something to do. And for this reason, within the few months, he has contacted with other person, and they have supported to Maharaja. That they know, maybe our Maharaja knows that they are Soru and Saparar in all respect, right from the financial and for anything, even for surviving. And day by day, he is doing more things for the surviving, for the good education, for the happy days, for their good days. But our nation is being decreased day by day. So our coming days is very painful and heartbreaking matter. So he has come to do something for us. It is my request from my heart and from my mind that we should be much united, as because not being united we cannot do. We can't do any counterpart. So maybe this is my request to you, but to my all season brother and sister, to be united, to do something. Then we should not be no should think that we are going to be undistinguished. We are so our position and our circumstances at bay or at stake. We don't think. No, we are all still we are the original man and original inhabitant and original inhabitants of Tripura, of our Tripura state. So I do not want to say more. So just I request to everybody, every young and aged, men, women, so that they come together, they support to our Maharaja, but to do something. But not also for just Midamati Prasa, for others also, that we want to sit here as a brother and sister. But one thing I want to say, but you fasting for us, for our community, for our nation. Otherwise, we would be very much going to be extinct. For this reason, I want to say, you try to be united in your mind, in your heart, in everything of our surviving days. It is okay.